computer. Yeah.
So what are we doing?
Okay. Very good evening to all of you, beta. We have started with chemical reaction. Okay. And in chemical reaction, we have studied how will you come to know that a chemical reaction has taken place, change in color, evolution of gas, formation of precipitate, and heat. Then we have done different type of reaction. If there is only one product formed, then it is combination. If there is only one reactant and many product, then it is decomposition. More reactive element displaces less, then it is known as single displacement. And this we have not yet studied. This we have to study. Clear? Okay. But today I
Yes,
want to
sir.
explain you, beta. We have done last class decomposition of nitrates and all. Do you all remember, beta? We have done nitrates. If I take nitrate of what, beta? Carina means potassium and sodium. What it will give me? Tell me, beta. Nitrite
Sir, it
and
will nitrite plus O2.
oxygen. If I take nitrate from calcium to copper, what it will give me? Nitrate
Sir, metal
to
oxide
copper.
plus
Then it will give
NO2
me
plus
what? Metal oxide, right? Plus
yes,
NO2 plus O2. Do you all
O2.
remember this?
Yes, sir.
Then nitrate of silver and mercury, what it will give me?
Sir, metal plus NO2 plus O2.
Yeah, it will give you metal plus. So this way you remember, beta. Don't by heart all the reaction. तो बेटा इसमें से किसी का भी सपोज इफ आई टेक पोटेशियम नाइट्रेट व्हाट इट विल गिव मी कम ऑन टेल मी
KNO2 plus O2.
KNO2 plus O2. Are you getting it? This is what we did in last class. So 2 balance. If I take any nitrate, suppose if I take copper nitrate, so what it will give me, beta? It will
Sir,
give me
CO plus NO2 plus O2.
O2. And then balancing will be 2 to 4. Okay. If I take silver ka nitrate, what it will give me? Silver
Ag
plus
plus NO2 plus O2.
O2. Clear? Right?
Yes.
So this is what we have done. Then beta we did for what? Trick for this is all thermal decomposition, beta. This is all was what? Thermal decomposition.
Yes, sir.
Then we did for carbonate. Carina ka carbonate if I take.
Sir, hydroxides.
No, carbonate ले लेते चलो. Carbonate लेके Carina का तो what will happen? Nothing will
Sir,
happen.
they will not decompose. They
Not
are stable.
decompose because they are stable. Name carbonate which are stable. So potassium carbonate, sodium carbonate. Calcium to copper, any carbonate if I take, then what it will give me?
Hello? Sub metal oxide plus
Metal oxide
carbon dioxide
plus carbon
plus O2.
dioxide. Then if I take silver or mercury carbonate, then it will give me what? नीचे वाले बेटा अकेला
Metal
रहेगा
plus
hydrogen, so it will give me
CO2.
metal plus carbon dioxide plus oxygen. Right, beta? This is what we have done in last class. I'm quickly revising. Then we did hydroxides.
Sir,
Karina
again, K and Na will not decompose.
again, Karina ka hydroxide if I take. Karina ka hydroxide if I take. Nothing
Do
will
not
happen.
decompose.
No reaction. Then calcium to copper, any hydroxide. I've given all these in big notes, beta. I hope all of you remember that. So if
Yes,
I
sir.
take hydroxide of this, what it will give me? Metal oxide plus
Water.
water. And lower ka silver and mercury ka hydroxide if I take. Firstly,
Metal
they rarely
plus
form,
water.
but it will give me what? Metal, water, and oxygen.
Oxygen.
Are you getting it? Then we were
Yes.
about to do which one, beta? इलेक्ट्रोलाइसिस
Sir,
इलेक्ट्रोलाइटिक
oxides बचे ना.
ऑक्साइड का तो मैंने करवा बता दिया था ना ऑक्साइड में हम लोग ने क्या किया था बोलो बेटा बट कोई कोई ऑक्साइड डिकम्पोज भी होता है बेटा मल्टीपल ऑक्साइड नॉर्मल ऑक्साइड में क्या होता था बोलो बेटा नॉर्मल ऑक्साइड इफ आई टेक ऑक्साइड
Sir,
फ्रॉम
K2CU decompose नहीं होता.
K2CU does not decompose.
Stable.
If I take mercury oxide and silver oxide, right, so it will decompose to give you metal and oxygen. Are you getting it?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now to then beta after this what we did beta electrolytic decomposition or decomposition which is done by passage of electric current. We also call it as electrolysis. Today I am going to explain few things in this. What we have to remember in this beta electrolytic decomposition mein what you'll remember this Papa cartoon. Why I have written this Papa? So because most of the students they get confused. Positive is what always anode.
Anode.
Negative is what cathode is negative. Look beta in electrolytic decomposition I take a container. Then I beta take one aisa container. In this I
Sir,
take
a question.
tell me.
Reason का sir, in electrolysis, why is acidified water used?
हाँ there everything I'll explain बेटा पहला रुक जा पहला बेसिक चीज पे ध्यान देते टर्मिनल विच इज कनेक्टेड टू पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल इज नोन एज विच वन कम ऑन ये पॉजिटिव से रॉड कनेक्ट किया है इसको हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे बोलो बेटा पा
Oh,
पॉजिटिव एनोड कनेक्टेड टू नेगेटिव इज नोन एज
cathode.
ओके अभी बेटा इसके अंदर मेरे पास दो आयंस है बेटा लेट अस से आई हैव Na प्लस एंड Cl माइनस हु विल गो दीज टू आर चार्ज स्पीसीज इज आयन अभी ये जिसपे पॉजिटिव चार्ज है ये किस कौन से इलेक्ट्रोड के पास जाएगा दिस पॉजिटिव आयन टेल मी पॉजिटिव
सर
पॉजिटिव के पास
कैथोड पे
जाएगा या
जाएगा।
नेगेटिव के पास
सर पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव के पास जाएगा।
हाँ तो ये कैथोड के पास गया तो ये आयन का नाम क्या हो जाएगा कट आयन अंडरस्टूड
Yes,
ions going towards cathode is cation. Now this ion it will go towards where beta it is negative. So negative will go to positive. Positive कौन था anode. So therefore anion. अब समझा बेटा cation anion नाम कैसे गिरा?
Yes, sir.
Ion going towards the anode is known as anion. And anion are with charge negatively charged. Cations are with charged positively charged. But cathode is negative. Anode is positive. Is this clear?
Yes.
Okay, so during electrolysis, we have to write. Okay, now I am doing electrolysis of only pure water is bad conductor. Ruvir, your doubt. Pure water is a bad conductor. Therefore, we add what? Few drops of acid to it to make it a good conductor. And I will pass
Okay.
electric current in it. If I take pure water, I will not get anything. Current will not pass only. So I am going to get hydrogen and oxygen. If I want to balance this here, it will be 2, here it will be 2. Where hydrogen will go, beta? So look, beta, if I'm doing electrolysis, so I wanted to explain you this. I have taken two rods. Positive, one is connected to positive terminal of the battery, one is negative. Positive is your anode, Papa. Cathode is your negative, cartoon. Okay, now in this I have two ions, beta. When I put, acidified water, so I will be having two ions. One will be which one, beta? Tell me. H plus and one will be OH minus. Now tell me beta, where this H plus will go? Where this H plus will go? Positive किसके पास जाएगा?
Sir, it will cathode.
हाँ,
Sir, it will go to the cathode.
so this ion is known as cation. And here which gas will be formed? Hydrogen. Therefore remember I have written below in my notes hydrogen यहाँ पे cathode पे. Where this O minus will go?
Anode.
Anode.
It was having charge, so it was ion, so anion is going here. And which
Ion.
gas you will get here? O2.
O.
अभी समझा ये एनोड कैथोड क्यों लिखा है यहाँ पर
Yes,
बोलो
sir.
Yes, sir.
Get O2 when you
O2
put it
yeah.
up there.
Yeah, what happened? Tell me, beta.
Why will you put O2 when you put it up there?
अरे O2 gas is getting liberated. Now OH minus will always give you oxygen gas.
Oh, really? Wow.
Yeah. अरे बेटा, this super OH minus, there are many OH minus, infinite OH minus are there. This we generally study in 10th, but I am teaching you now. Okay. Now from this 4OH, if I remove beta this H2O, and here also I'll remove H2O. So 4OH minus I had taken. It gives me 2 molecules of water. What else is remaining, beta? Tell me. Suppa, what else is remaining? These two owner. So which gas will be released?
O2.
O2. Now, have you understood why I've written here O2? OH minus
Yeah.
will always give which gas? O2. Is this clear? Hello?
Yeah.
So this was your electrolytic decomposition. Where is our electrolytic decomposition? Yeah. You have to keep that big colored notes in front of you. Uh-oh. What happened? Ah. Dun, 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 dun. Look here, beta. This is what we have given. ये क्यों नहीं आ रहा है, man? हाँ. We did this electrolytic decomposition. Can you see hydrogen? I wrote cathode. Why I wrote acidified water and anode पे oxygen. Hey, if I take NaCl, if I in container I have taken NaCl, so this are my rod. This
What
is
is
my
molten
positive terminal. This is
NaCl mean?
negative. So Na plus, where Na plus will go? It will go towards negative, na beta? And negative is who, beta? Cathode. So cathode पे sodium metal will deposit. Chlorine, where it will go towards positive. So can you see chlorine gas at anode? Are you getting it? So this was electrolytic, and I want you to write. Have you put this slash and have you written electrolysis there?
Yes.
Electrolytic decomposition is also known as electrolysis. It is also
Sir,
known.
molten क्यों है NaCl?
हाँ, molten क्यों है बेटा? बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन पूछा. If I take beta only solid NaCl, please remember, if I take only solid NaCl is no free ions are there. तो solid NaCl is bad conductor. Solid form में जो होगा वो क्या होता है बेटा? Bad conductor.
Bad conductor.
I want ions. तो अभी ions करने के लिए मुझे उसको क्या करना पड़ेगा? Melt करना पड़ेगा. So I take NaCl in a container and then I heat it. Heat करेगा तो NaCl पिघल जाएगा कि नहीं? So it will form what beta? Na plus ion and Cl minus. Ions will be formed when it is in molten form. Molten. Melt
Sir,
कर.
but if you take it in water, if you take salt in water,
No.
you
That is
can
different thing. That is aqueous. Aqueous में भी होता है बेटा. That is aqueous. We are studying molten. Molten मतलब क्या? आपको मैंने बेटा ये नमक दिया बेटा. ये सब ये तुम्हारा नमक है. और मैंने इसको इतना हीट किया कि मेल्ट हो गया, वो पिघल जाएगा. मैंने बाहर से पानी डाला नहीं. आई हैव नॉट एडेड वाटर. दैट इज मोल्टन और फ्यूज्ड. व्हेन आई से डिसॉल्व इन वाटर मींस एक्वेस इट इज. ओके.
Yes, sir.
एनी सॉलिड सॉल्ट इज बैड कर. अरे मैं तुमको सॉलिड सॉल्ट दूंगा डब्बे में और दो वायर लगा उसमें और बल्ब लगा. विल बल्ब ग्लो? नो. बिकॉज सॉलिड इट इज व्हाट? बैड कंडक्टर. इज दिस क्लियर? हेलो?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
So every time you're using the salt, it has to be in a molten state.
Yes, molten state or aqueous state. Because solid, therefore I have mentioned here, beta. Can you see molten? Okay, any difficulty till here? Then we did
Sir.
No, sir.
photochemical decomposition means what? Okay, it is a decomposition which is brought by light. Beta, if I taken a silver compound, I kept it in a transparent bottle. What I had kept here? Silver chloride. But what will happen? Sunlight will fall on it. So once the sunlight will fall on it, beta, what will happen? The silver chloride will decompose to give you silver and chlorine. तो अभी मैंने कंटेनर में सिल्वर क्लोराइड लिया था लेकिन वो बेटा डिकम्पोज हो गया बाय एब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ सनलाइट. तो therefore silver compound should be always kept in which colored bottle? Dark colored bottle. Dark colored bottle में क्या होगा बेटा? Sunlight will not enter. Give reason. Silver compound are kept in dark color bottle. Why? Because if we keep them in transparent bottle, they will undergo photochemical decomposition. Is this clear to all of you?
Yes.
So what will happen during the process? So like it will form Ag and Cl to us.
Ag and Cl2, yeah, it will decompose.
So what's wrong with that?
What's wrong? I had prepared AgCl and I have kept it, but it decomposes. I won't get any more AgCl. अरे टूट गया भाई. Right? Now, beta, look in your textbook, beta, what all thing I have done for you, I'll just tell you. because this is your chapter 6, chemical reaction, page number 70. First, beta, what is the chemical reaction we did? What are the factors which tell you the chemical reaction has done? Change of color, evolution of gas, absorption or liberation of heat. If heat is given out, then it is exothermic, right? And if heat is absorbed, then it is endothermic. This all I have done. Then formation of precipitate. This we have not explained to you, beta. Today we are going to study this. Once we do, अरे beta, worksheet and all, everything will be done, beta. First, let me complete the chapter. Next class, I am going to discuss both the worksheet. Is this clear to all of you? Because I have not done double decomposition. So everything worksheet, even I'll be sending the answer for worksheet. In next class,
So the next class we'll have to do the whole worksheet, right?
yeah,
Not only the
next
first.
class we are going to do the whole worksheet. And we have done this definition of the reaction, beta, types of reaction. Then, beta, we did this direct combination. Can you see only one product? This we have done. All this I have explained to you, alkali, acid. Then, beta, decomposition reaction we did. Thermal. Okay. Then I did, right now I explain you this electrolytic decomposition and photochemical decomposition. Okay. Now one reaction is remaining. This is very important. Mark it, very important, beta. You have textbook with you in front of you. Thermal dissociation. What is thermal dissociation? Thermal dissociation, it is a decomposition reaction only in which substance dissociate into. Yeah.
Always
Like
reversible.
thermal decomposition, but except it's reversible, right?
Yeah. So here it will be what, beta? Reversible. Can you see this reaction is reversible? If I heat ammonium chloride, it will give me ammonia gas and HCl. And if you cool it, again, it will give you back what? Ammonium chloride. So it is a thermal dissociation is reversible, but thermal decomposition was not reversible. Clear? I have given you many example in my notes. Here they have given only one. But if you see here, I have given you many example. In my notes, if you see, beta, page number is, अरे यहाँ पे page number था कहाँ पे गया? 8. Page number 8 पे I have given you this thermal dissociation. I have written also that this thermal dissociation is which reaction? Reversible. It is what,
सर
beta?
मेटलर्जी क्या होता है?
वो जाने दो, वो मत कर, वो बाद में आएगा, 9th में आएगा. पहले ये वाला देख, अमोनियम क्लोराइड. If you heat it, you get ammonia gas and HCl. Ammonia is the only basic gas. And if you cool it, beta, you will get ammonium salt. This is dinitrogen tetroxide. It will give you NO2 on heating, and on cooling, it will give you this. These two reactions we are going to study in 9th grade. This is only for your 8th grade. Okay? Clear? Then, beta, in your textbook, beta, what all thing we have done? We have done this displacement reaction also. Right? Karina ne car mangi, right, beta? This double decomposition I have not done, so I'll discuss this later on. Then we have done this display reactivity series. Most reactive element is potassium. Least reactive is gold. And all this displacement reaction we have done. Remember, beta, this Carina and car can react with cold water. They'll react with boiling water or steam. Then we have not done this reversible reaction. This I'll teach you later on. Exothermic, endothermic, I'll teach you later. We did this decomposition. Last class I have taught you this only, beta. Remember? Hello. Carina ka carbonate does not decompose. Calcium to copper carbonate gives you metal oxide and carbon dioxide. Mercury and silver oxide, they will give you metal, oxygen and carbon dioxide. Textbook everything is given haphazard. Carina ka nitrates will give you nitrite and oxygen. Calcium to copper, they will give you metal oxide, NO2 and O2. Mercury and silver nitrate, they will give metal, NO2 and O2. Metal hydroxide, beta, do not decompose of Carina. Calcium to copper, they will give you metal oxide and water. They rarely form, and if they form, then they will give you metal, water and oxygen. Clear? This also I have done with you. Now, today we are going to do double decomposition reaction. Now, before going to do double decomposition reaction,
So what is neutralization?
yeah,
It was given.
everything I'm going to explain. Listen carefully. Okay. Now, Look, beta, I am going to do double displacement. Okay, in double displacement, first you see who was the partner in my notes, beta. Page number is 9. I want all of you to come to page number 9 in my notes. Now, look, beta. Before doing this, what you all should know, this is very important, huh, beta? Look, beta, I have taken 2 test tubes. In this, there was some solution. In this also, there was some solution. Both were soluble. So, this is also soluble. This is also soluble. If I mix this into this now, इसको इसके अंदर डाल दिया, so what I'll get, if these two are mixed, I'll get something like this. And some solid part will be formed. Solid. A solid part agar banega, insoluble substance will be formed. Where it will go, beta, this insoluble substance? Will it remain up or down?
Will settle down.
This insoluble substance which settles down
Precipitate.
is known as precipitate. Is known as.
Precipitate.
So finally, what I'll get? Initially, I took 2 things. This will be soluble only. So total, how many things I'm taking, beta? This was soluble plus soluble. So what I'm get? Soluble salt plus soluble salt gives me what? Can you see? I'll get something insoluble or not? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
I'll get insoluble salt.
Insoluble salt plus soluble salt.
No, but this is soluble, na, beta?
Sir, but in your notes you have given soluble salt
No,
plus
this
soluble
is
salt
insoluble,
will
na, beta? And this is what, beta? After mixing.
soluble.
और ये पानी वाला जो सोल्यूबल है और यही खाली था तो यहाँ पे क्या मिलेगा सोल्यूबल तो बेटा
हाँ सर वही बोल रहा हूँ.
हाँ sorry. So this insoluble salt which we get is known as precipitate. So reaction in which insoluble salt is formed is known as which reaction? Precipitate reaction. So what we did, देखो मैंने पहला टेस्ट ट्यूब लिया इसमें क्या था सोल्यूबल दूसरा टेस्ट ट्यूब लिया उसमें भी क्या था सोल्यूबल so look soluble salt plus soluble salt if I mix it something one insoluble salt will be formed insoluble salt will go down na beta so we call it as precipitate and this will remain soluble so I took 2 soluble salt I got new compound which was insoluble and another one will be soluble so a reaction in which an insoluble salt is formed is known as precipitate from 2 soluble salt okay अच्छा इसमें बेटा है ना ये प्रेसिपिटेट अभी आपको आप नाउ वन क्वेश्चन विल कम टू नो सर हाउ आई विल कम टू नो whenever we write any reaction how I'll come to know that which is insoluble how you will come to know whether it is soluble or insoluble which is insoluble salt आपको कैसे पता चलेगा बताओ if I write any salt on the board you will predict आप बता पाओगे मुझे whether it is soluble or insoluble without dissolving in water tell me
Yes, sir. So because all hydroxides, nitrates, and
अभी मैं बताता हूँ सुनो बेटा डायरेक्टली आप नहीं बता पाओगे बट आई हैव गिवन यू ट्रिक रिमेंबर बेटा व्हाट ट्रिक आई गेव यू सो बिफोर डूइंग दिस रिएक्शन यू शुड नो who all are soluble salt and who all are insoluble so I am giving you the trick listen carefully I have given in the notes no need to write so listen beta all chlorides are soluble all chlorides are
soluble
except कौन कौन है except I am giving you the trick आगे होगा pub आगे होगा pub means
Pub.
what आगे होगा pub means Ag का
AgCl.
chloride silver
HgCl2.
mercury का chloride and PBG
Cl.
chloride so this all are what beta
Exceptions.
yeah insoluble they are insoluble
So why is it taken as HgCl2? Why isn't HgCl?
अरे मर्क्यूरी का वैलेंसी क्या होता है मर्क्यूरिक क्लोराइड ना बेटा Acha, in this also you have to remember this Pb chloride, it is soluble only in hot water. Soluble in
hot water.
hot water.
So
Name of chloride which
HgCl
is
has,
soluble in hot
is
water.
also 1 plus, na? So by converting mercurous chloride.
But beta, mercurous chloride nahi beta. Here in your syllabus we have mercuric chloride. Mercurous chloride is unstable. Okay? अच्छा, तो apart from this, खाली तीन ही क्लोराइड लाइफ में insoluble है for your syllabus at your level. Silver chloride, mercury chloride, and lead chloride. So now tell me, if I write any other chloride, then it will be soluble or insoluble. Tell me.
Soluble.
All chlorides are soluble, na beta? So if I write sodium chloride soluble, potassium chloride soluble,
Soluble.
ferrous chloride soluble,
Soluble.
ferric chloride soluble, calcium chloride soluble, magnesium chloride soluble, copper chloride soluble, ammonium chloride soluble, zinc chloride soluble. But if I write silver chloride, then insoluble. Mercury chloride, then
Insoluble.
insoluble. Lead chloride, then
Insoluble.
बेटा ये जो insoluble बनते हैं ना, उसी को हम लोग क्या कहते हैं? प्रेसिपिटेट. क्या कहते हैं?
Precipitate.
तो बेटा प्रेसिपिटेट, कभी भी बेटा ये प्रेसिपिटेशन रिएक्शन होता है ना, ये जो प्रेसिपिटेट बनता है उसके आगे हम लोग ऐसा डाउनवर्ड एरो बनाते हैं. तो आपको पता होना चाहिए कि किसके आगे हमको डाउनवर्ड एरो लिखना पड़ेगा. सो फॉर दैट यू शुड नो दिस solubility टेबल का ट्रिक. देन बेटा व्हाट आई गिव यू ट्रिक, कम ऑन टेल मी, व्हाट वाज द अदर ट्रिक आई गिव यू?
आपका बाग for all sulfates are
All
soluble.
sulfates are soluble except
पंजाब का बाग.
पंजाब का बाग. पंजाब का बाग means what? Pb का सल्फेट insoluble, कैल्शियम का सल्फेट insoluble, बेरियम का सल्फेट insoluble, सिल्वर का सल्फेट, ओनली दीज आर insoluble. और जो भी बेटा insoluble होगा उसका क्या बनेगा? बोलो बेटा. insoluble को हम लोग क्या कहते हैं? प्रेसिपिटेट. Other all sulfate will be soluble. So tell me beta, if I write sodium sulfate soluble, potassium sulfate soluble, ammonium sulfate soluble, ferrous sulfate soluble, copper sulfate soluble, zinc sulfate soluble. Are you all getting it beta? Hello. Is this clear to all of you? तो अभी मैं कोई भी सल्फेट बोर्ड पे लिखूंगा तो आप बता पाओगे वो प्रेसिपिटेट बनेगा या क्या? टेल मी.
Yes. हाँ sir.
हाँ. फिर बेटा आई गिव यू अनदर ट्रिक. आप बोलोगे सर ये कहाँ पे दिया है? बेटा डोंट वरी, आई हैव गिवन ऑल दिस हियर. वेयर? on my last page of notes. I have given you this. Can you see? Which are insoluble chloride. देख रहा है? आगे होगा पब. And these are Punjab ka Bagh. Other all chloride and sulfate are soluble. Only these are insoluble. Then what other trick I gave you? All oxide, hydroxide, carbonate and sulfide of only sodium, potassium, ammonium are soluble. What is the meaning of this? All, yeah, tell
What did
me.
you say?
Yeah, tell me beta, all oxide, hydroxide.
मतलब से ऑक्साइड हाइड्रोक्साइड सिर्फ सॉल्ट Na और NH4 को
Carbonates and sulfides.
Of sodium,
NaK and NH4
potassium, and ammonium are soluble.
and other metals insoluble.
Other metals will be insoluble. So suppose beta, if I am writing sodium oxide soluble, potassium oxide soluble, okay, ammonium oxide soluble, sodium hydroxide soluble, potassium hydroxide soluble, ammonium hydroxide soluble. सोडियम कार्बोनेट सॉल्यूबल, अच्छा सल्फाइड भी है ना बेटा, वो भी बताओ। पोटेशियम कार्बोनेट सॉल्यूबल, फिर सोडियम सल्फाइड सॉल्यूबल, पोटेशियम सल्फाइड सॉल्यूबल, बाकी सबका क्या होगा? बोलो। इनसॉल्यूबल।
insoluble,
इनसॉल्यूबल होगा वो क्या बनेगा? प्रेसिपिटेट।
precipitate,
तो इफ आई राइट Pb का ऑक्साइड इनसॉल्यूबल, Pb का हाइड्रोक्साइड इनसॉल्यूबल, Pb
insoluble,
का कार्बोनेट इनसॉल्यूबल,
insoluble,
Pb का सल्फाइड इनसॉल्यूबल। सिमिलरली कैल्शियम का ऑक्साइड इनसॉल्यूबल, कैल्शियम का हाइड्रोक्साइड इनसॉल्यूबल, कैल्शियम का कार्बोनेट इनसॉल्यूबल, कैल्शियम का सल्फाइड इनसॉल्यूबल, कॉपर का ऑक्साइड इनसॉल्यूबल, कॉपर का हाइड्रोक्साइड इनसॉल्यूबल, कॉपर का कार्बोनेट इनसॉल्यूबल, कॉपर का सल्फाइड इनसॉल्यूबल। चलो बेटा, जिंक ऑक्साइड इनसॉल्यूबल, लेड ऑक्साइड हो गया बेटा, Pb ऑक्साइड इनसॉल्यूबल, ओके, मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड इनसॉल्यूबल, जिंक हाइड्रोक्साइड इनसॉल्यूबल, Pb हाइड्रोक्साइड हो गया, मैग्नीशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड इनसॉल्यूबल, Fe का हाइड्रोक्साइड, एनी अदर मेटल का हाइड्रोक्साइड ऑक्साइड एवरीथिंग विल बी व्हाट? इनसॉल्यूबल,
insoluble,
एंड व्हाटएवर इज इनसॉल्यूबल इट विल फॉर्म व्हाट?
precipitate,
प्रेसिपिटेट। अभी बेटा मैंने कोई भी ऑक्साइड, हाइड्रोक्साइड, कार्बोनेट या सल्फाइड बोर्ड पे लिखा तो आप बता पाओगे वो सॉल्यूबल है या इनसॉल्यूबल है?
yes
टेल मी।
sir,
आपने देखा बेटा पीबी का सब देख रहा है, पीबी का ऑक्साइड भी इनसॉल्यूबल, हाइड्रोक्साइड, कार्बोनेट, सल्फाइड भी इनसॉल्यूबल। पीबी का बेटा सल्फेट भी इनसॉल्यूबल था, पीबी का क्लोराइड भी इनसॉल्यूबल था। तो पीबी के सारे सॉल्ट इनसॉल्यूबल होते हैं एक्सेप्ट फॉर वन। तो बेटा वी डिड ट्रिक फॉर, okay, oxide, hydroxide, carbonate and sulfide. Then we did trick for sulfate. Then we did trick for chlorides. अब बेटा एक एक्सेप्शन याद रखना बेटा, all nitrates are soluble, all nitrates are।
soluble, no
तो मैंने
exceptions.
किसी का भी लिखा नाइट्रेट, तो नाइट्रेट में कोई इनसॉल्यूबल होता ही नहीं है। तो सपोज बेटा इफ आई राइट लेड नाइट्रेट soluble, so look beta, only soluble
Soluble,
salt of lead is lead nitrate, okay, Fe nitrate soluble, copper nitrate soluble,
soluble,
zinc nitrate soluble, potassium nitrate soluble, sodium nitrate soluble, clear, magnesium nitrate soluble। तो आप बोलोगे सर ये कहाँ है सब? डोंट वरी, आई हैव गिवन एवरीथिंग, बट आपको मैंने पूरा डिटेल में बताया। ये देखो ना, ऑल नाइट्रेट्स आर सॉल्यूबल, नो एक्सेप्शंस। इज दिस क्लियर टू यू ऑल ऑफ यू? इन माय कलरफुल नोट्स इट इज ऑन पेज नंबर 9। इन डिफिकल्टी टिल यार, ओके। दिस गर्ल आर्या, हैव यू रिसीव्ड द कलरफुल नोट्स, बिग कलरफुल नोट्स?
Yes, sir, I have.
यू रिसीव्ड ना बेटा?
Yeah.
Okay. Miran, have you received that big colorful notes? Acha, Miran, this voice is not working. This. Then, beta, there is one. Okay, ठीक है, चलो. Sid, you have received not that big colorful notes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Chalo, beta, not a problem. Chalo, Miran also has received. Yeah, okay, fine enough. So that colorful notes you have to. So that is very important, beta. Okay. Because from that only will come to know. I could, if I directly explain, you will not understand. अब हम लोग बेटा रिएक्शन में आते बेटा, ठीक है? अच्छा, इसमें भी बेटा आई गिव यू ट्रिक्स, डिफरेंट ट्रिक्स, रिमेंबर बेटा। बेटा इफ यू वांट टू स्टडी दिस चैप्टर, दिस लास्ट पेज नंबर 9, दिस पेज नंबर 9 or 10, whatever it is, 10, yes, this you should by heart. Okay, generally copper salt are which color? Blue. But if I get copper oxide then it is black, and copper carbonate then it is greenish blue. Fe2 plus salt is dirty green, मतलब Fe हाइड्रोक्साइड बनेगा तो क्या कलर लिखने का? डर्टी ग्रीन। Fe3 plus, that is FeOH3 आएगा तो which color? Reddish
reddish
brown.
brown,
PbO means yellow or buff yellow. Yellow or buff yellow.
yellow,
Okay.
yes
Sir,
sir,
PbOH2 is chalky white. अच्छा,
sir, in questions, there's asked के, if copper nitrate reacts, what residue will it form?
हाँ
What
तो
color residue?
सब मैं बताता हूँ बेटा, सब मैं
Black.
पहले एक बार देख ले, सब बता रहा हूँ देख। जिंक ऑक्साइड इज येलो व्हेन हॉट, व्हाइट व्हेन कोल्ड। जिंक
Gold.
हाइड्रोक्साइड होगा तो जिलेटेनियस व्हाइट, मर्क्यूरिक ऑक्साइड इज ऑरेंज रेड, क्रोमिक ऑक्साइड इज ग्रीन, ammonium dichromate is orange, calcium carbonate is white. Whenever I say yellow non-metal, what should come to your mind? Sulfur.
Sulfur.
Whenever I say reddish brown liquid, liquid, not gas. Reddish brown liquid means bromine.
Bromine.
Acha. Ammonium chloride means dense white fumes.
Fumes.
Acha. If I say reddish brown gas, then what should come to your mind? Reddish brown gas.
NO2.
NO2. Greenish yellow gas, chlorine. Rotten egg smell, hydrogen
H2S.
sulfide.
Sulfide.
What Ruvir was talking about, beta, different questions. So look, beta, in exam, what type of question they will ask? In exam, beta, what type of question they will ask? Listen carefully. Hello. Look, on one single question, I'll be asking you 10 different questions. On one single reaction, I can ask, beta, I can ask you 10 different questions. Can you see this reaction, this question in my notes? It is on page number 7.
7.
Page number 7 in my big colored notes. Okay. Look into this, beta. Okay. Hello, page number 7. I have given you, today we did this trick, na Tanisha, we did this trick or not? Calcium to copper ka nitrate, calcium to copper ka nitrate.
So can you hear me?
Yeah, Mira, I can hear you very much. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Tanisha, copper ka nitrate you get metal oxide NO2 and O2, but examiner is very smart. He will ask you 10 different questions based on this. Okay. So the very first one, Anya Mehta, very first question. Name a black color compound formed when copper nitrate is heated. Who is the black color compound?
Copper oxide.
Name the acidic gas evolved. Aditi beta, name the acidic gas evolved when copper nitrate is heated. Who is the acidic gas? Nitrogen dioxide. Very good. Dian, name the reddish brown gas evolved when copper nitrate is heated.
NO2.
Name the Shayan Shetty. Name the neutral gas evolved when copper nitrate is heated.
So what, repeat?
Name the neutral gas released when copper nitrate is heated.
O2.
O2. Okay. और एक क्वेश्चन सुन लो बेटा. आरुष बेटा. Okay. If I ask you, write the observation. What? Write? Observation. Write your observation when copper nitrate is heated. So what you will write? In observation, we always write the visible changes. Okay, we never write acidic or neutral and all those things. We write visible changes. Arush, which all places you can see the color? Here there is a visible color or not? Here also there is a visible color or not? Tell me. Here also there is a visible color or not? Tell me, Arush. So in
Yes,
exam,
sir.
if they ask, write your observation when copper nitrate is heated. What you will say? Blue color compound will give you black residue. Ruvir, your question ka answer. What residue is formed? Black residue. Now, why it is a residue? We have studied today, beta. Residue means precipitate. All oxide of only sodium, potassium, ammonium are soluble. So copper oxide soluble hai kya? No, na? Okay. Arush, beta, tell me. Write your observation when copper nitrate is heated. What you will say? Blue color compound will give you black residue and reddish brown gas is evolved. And reddish brown gas is evolved. Beta, all this question answer, I have prepared a separate list. I'll show you, beta, that I'm going to give you in the next class. Look, beta, what list I have prepared, I'll just show you, beta. One PDF I have made, beta, alag se.
Sir, is it about the observation?
Yeah, it is all about the observation. Did I give you all? No, na?
No, sir.
So it is all about the observation. Wait, where it is? Chemical. Where is chemical? No, not this. Where it is, man? Uh-oh. What happened? Yeah, got it, bro. Look, beta. This I am going to give it to you all. Why it is dancing, man? Can you all see this? Look, beta. Write your observation when copper nitrate is heated. Can you see this? Question along with answer I have given. Blue color compound decomposes to give you black residue and reddish brown gas is evolved. Is this clear? Hello. Look, beta, if you directly read from textbook, you will not get it. So therefore, I gave you my big notes, and in under big notes, I have written all this color. Suppose if I ask this question, listen here. Okay. Hello. Okay, who is there now? Who is this honor? Turakia, right, beta? Turakia. If I heat lead nitrate, what will be your observation? White compound decomposes to give you yellow
A
residue.
yellow.
Why yellow residue? All oxide are soluble except sodium, potassium, ammonium. And which gas you will get, beta? Reddish brown gas. I have given this observation. Don't worry. In next class, I am going to give you this. Look, beta. Lead nitrate is heated. Write your observation. Whenever they ask observation, you are not supposed to write any color, reaction. You have to write only this. White compound decomposes to give you buff yellow residue and reddish brown gas is evolved. Are you getting it? Hello.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Suppose, beta, if I have given you zinc nitrate. Anya Mehta, you tell me if I give you zinc nitrate. So now I'll just tell you, beta. If I would have given you zinc nitrate, what you would have got, beta? Metal oxide plus NO2 plus O2, right? So if I want you
Yes.
to write the observation, so what you'll write? Zinc nitrate. So which residue you are getting, beta? Zinc oxide.
The
So what is zinc oxide, beta? What is the color of zinc oxide?
black.
You forgot, dear. My
Sir,
mind
can
need to
I have
remember. What is zinc oxide ka residue ka color? Oh my. You forgot, dear. I'll show you, baby. Don't you worry. Look here. Zinc oxide is.
Oh, yellow. Sorry.
Can you see this, beta? Hello. It is
Yes,
yellow
sir.
when hot, white when cold. And which gas you will see, beta? Very good. Reddish brown gas. Look, beta. Residue which is, you get a residue which is yellow when hot, white when cold, and reddish brown gas is evolved. Oh, अच्छा बेटा ये चैप्टर में ना they will play with the words, they will give you all diagram based this observation based question. ये I can twist this question and I can give you in different manner. ये चैप्टर बेटा इतना इजी दिखता है लेकिन बेटा मैंने नोट्स दिया ना उससे पढ़ोगे तो आएगा और मैं क्वेश्चन आंसर्स दूंगा उससे करोगे तो आएगा देखो इसको मैं भी ट्विस्ट करके बताऊं क्या ये क्वेश्चन को अभी देखो आई कैन आस्क यू दिस क्वेश्चन ऑल्सो लिसन ए राइट अ रिएक्शन in which blue color compound gives you black residue. They will just give you this. So how to think? Blue color compound give you black residue. So what you will do? Look, beta. Here they go. Blue color compound decomposes to give you black residue. So this reaction you will write copper nitrate with this. I can twist the question also. Write a reaction in which white compound decomposes to give you buff yellow. Remember beta this buff yellow वाला उसके नीचे ही था ना ये देखो. White color compound gives you buff yellow. Clear? ऐसे सब क्वेश्चन आएंगे. इसलिए बेटा मेरे नोट्स बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. टेक्स्ट बुक से पढ़ोगे तो डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन है कुछ नहीं आएगा. I'll give you a lot of observation-based question. I've given you so many observation-based question here. Now what we are doing, beta? Let us come to the main point. And we are doing double decomposition. In double decomposition also I am doing first which one? Precipitation. What will happen in precipitation? Twisha, are you there, dear Twisha?
Yes, sir.
Oh, Twisha baby, you can see this. This was soluble, I mix, I got something insoluble which has settled down and we call it as precipitate. In my notes, I want all of you to come to page number 9. What is a precipitate? Am I audible to all of you? Hello. अरे बोलो ना, हाँ ना.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, what you have to do? Look, what is precipitation? I've explained you now today. I take soluble plus soluble. You will get one insoluble. Insoluble के नीचे से downward air उसको precipitate बोलते हैं और क्या मिलेगा? Soluble. Oh my God. Now you will say, sir, how we will come to know? How will come to know? So that I am going to teach you. Look here. Dan, dan, dan. Where is your 8th standard? Yeah. Dan, dan, dan. Chalo beta, we are somewhere here. I'll teach you. Teach you. Uy, ma. Oh, wow, wow, wow. So sorry. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Wait a minute. Ah, yeah. Double decomposition. Look here. In this, there is some neutralization. Neutralization, I'll teach you later on. We are doing what? Precipitation. Precipitation. In your textbook, page number 74. Precipitation. And precipitation, what we do? We take, this is what, beta? Soluble. What it will be, beta? Soluble. This will be also what? Soluble. And this will be also what, beta? Soluble. And this will be what? Insoluble. चलो अब आप बोलोगे सर how I will come to know. So look beta, I'll teach you. Look here. Okay. Arya, can you hear me, dear? Hello.
Sir.
Arya, where is that girl there? What was her name? This is very talkative. That Prabhu Desai. Prabhu Desai is not there today.
Yes, sir.
Where are you? Very mischievous girl you are. Where are you? Okay, anyways. Arya, beta, are you am I audible to you, beta? Okay. Now tell me, beta. Look, beta, what we did, precipitation, mein what happens? It is a reaction between two compounds, both in which state? Aqueous means soluble form. They will give you two new compound. Aren't they giving you two new compound? And one of the compound will be what? Insoluble. One of the compound will be insoluble. Acha, now tell me, dear. Okay. Arya, beta, this is which chloride? Ferric chloride. Which chloride it is? Acha. All chloride are soluble except we did not today Punjab ka Bagh. So tell me, beta, is this Punjab ka Bagh ka chloride? Is it Ag chloride, Hg chloride, Pb chloride? No, na. That means it is soluble. Now we will get to know, na, beta. So I have taken one soluble chloride. Who is my soluble chloride? FeCl. NaOH. All salt of Arya. Today only we studied all salt of sodium, potassium, ammonium are soluble or not? Tell me. Yes, not here. Don't worry, beta. Look, I'll show you, beta. All salt of sodium, potassium, ammonium are soluble. All sodium, potassium. So NaOH is soluble, na beta. NH4OH will be also soluble, na beta. So tell me, are these two reactants? अरे यार ये क्या हो गया? Sorry. Undo कैसे करने का? Oh my God, why it got delete? Somebody did something or what? No. Okay, Arya, beta. Yeah. So is this soluble or not? Tell me now. Look, beta, before doing this reaction, you should know this is soluble. Is this chloride of कैसे सोचने का? क्या ये पंजाब के बाग sorry आगे होगा पब का क्लोराइड है क्या? Is it a chloride of Ag, Hg, Pb? No. That means it is soluble. This is a hydroxide of sodium, so it is soluble. Now here, who is the Fe का valence is how much beta here? +3. Chlorine is -1. Na is +1. OH is -1. Partners will change. Array, Fe ka partner was chlorine. Now who will be the partner? OH. So Fe was how much beta? 3 plus. OH was how much beta? 1 minus. So what will I get? Tell me.
FeOH.
Very good. FeOH3. And which Cl and Na will give me what beta? Na is 1 plus. Cl is 1 minus. So what I'll get? अच्छा अभी आप मेरे को बताओ, ये दिस इज अ सोडियम का सॉल्ट, इट इज सोल्यूबल और नॉट? टेल मी.
Yes.
दिस इज ऑल्सो soluble, दिस इज ऑल्सो soluble, राइट? दिस इज ऑल्सो soluble. ये दिस इज किसका हाइड्रोक्साइड है ये बेटा? Fe का. हाइड्रोक्साइड किस किस का soluble होता था? ओनली Na, पोटेशियम एंड अमोनियम. क्या ये Na सोडियम और पोटेशियम का है क्या? नो ना, देयरफॉर इट इज insoluble. I hope all of you are getting it, how to think. Tanisha beta, are you getting it or not? Tell me.
Yes, I'm getting it.
Soresh, Ananya, Anya, Aditi, Dian, Arush.
Yes,
I hope
sir.
all of you are getting it.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Ashar, Ashlesha. Then where is this
Yes.
Dalmia? Jagmohan Dalmia is come or not? Mihika Dalmia, yeah. Okay. So this is a, now have you understood why this is a, acha, ये Fe3 plus का salt are which color? Today only I told you or not? Tell me. अरे मेरे नोट्स में देखा कि नहीं? Fe3 plus are which color? Reddish brown. On last page I gave you this or not? Tell me where it was, dear, all of you. Fe3 plus is reddish brown. Can you see this? तो थोड़ा कलर बाय हार्ट करना पड़ेगा, बट लॉजिक समझा के नहीं आप लोगों को?
Yes, sir.
ओके. So now look here. Dun, dun, dun. Okay. Now chalo beta. Now I'm going to ask next question. Who is there? Asher, are you? Am I audible to you, Asher gang? No. कौन है?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Yes.
अच्छा. Asher beta, now I have taken ferrous sulfate. Tell me beta, is this sulfate soluble or not? Tell me. All sulfate are soluble except पंजाब का बाग. क्या ये पंजाब का बाग का सल्फेट है क्या? नो ना. So it is soluble.
No.
Soluble. अच्छा, in this Fe is what? +2. Sulfate is -2. Na is +1. OH is 1. तो partners will change. तो FeOH2 बनेगा. ये FeOH2 is which color? Dirty green PPT. So downward arrow. A sodium and sulfate will go here. Sodium valency was 1 plus. Sulfate was 2 minus. So what I'm going to get? Na2SO4. Are you all getting it? Hello. Chalo. I'm going to
Yes.
take next one. Okay. A Supa. Supa, are you there? Supa. Supa is not there today. What is the original name Supa ka? Vivan Bhutta. Disappeared, man. Very bad. Okay. A Mihika Dalmia, are you there, beta? A zinc
Sorry, yeah, what happened?
What happened, man? Where are you, man? I'm looking for you, man. Where were you?
I slept a little bit, sorry.
Oh, playing game on the phone or what? Right?
No, I don't
Yeah.
have any games on my phone.
That is why you have kept your video
Because-
off. You're sleeping, maybe. Somebody might have messaged you and woke you up, man. Anyways,
No,
Zn,
I forgot.
this is soluble. This is soluble. Zn ka valence is how much here, beta? 2 plus. Sulfate is 2 minus.
2
Na is 1 plus. OH is 1 minus. Partners will change. So you get zinc hydroxide. So which color PPT? This is insoluble. How you come to know this is insoluble?
Keratin is
All
soluble.
hydroxide of only sodium, potassium, ammonium are soluble. Please, students, understand the logic, that solubility thing you should know. And this is also soluble. So in precipitation reaction, beta, what you get? 2 soluble salt will give you 1 insoluble and soluble. Now look, I'll explain that textbook reaction. Can you see here? Look, zinc hydroxide is gelatinous white PPT. Are you all getting it? Now, beta, neutralization is very chindi. Neutralization में what happened? Acid reacts with base to give you salt and water. Here everything is soluble. Salt and water. Okay. If I take NaOH, anything which has OH is a base. HCl is what? Acid. Now what will happen, beta? Na and this Cl will react to give you salt. And this H plus and OH minus will give you water. But बेटा इसमें भी है ना 2 चीजें है. हमेशा ये बेस सोल्यूबल होगा ये जरूरी नहीं है. So you'll say, sir, where is this given? Where is this given? Look here. Look, neutralization reaction are of two types. If you see in my notes, page number 9, first I taught you which one, beta, this basic one. Acid react with base. Can you see this? Acid react with alkali to give you salt and water. Look, HCl is acid, NOH is base, salt and water. Water soluble base को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? Alkali. Yeah, sure, tell me dear, what happened?
सर लेकिन आपके नोट्स में दोनों में हमें सॉल्युबल सॉल्ट प्लस वाटर ही मिल रहा है ना।
नहीं नहीं बेटा, ये देख इनसोल्यूबल है ना यहाँ पर। वो आएगा बेटा, मैं बता रहा ना, रुक जा बेटा, 2 मिनट रुक जा बेटा। वाटर एनी OH विच इज सोल्यूबल इन वाटर, उसको हम लोग क्या बोलते थे? अल्कली बोलते थे कि नहीं? बोलो बेटा, राइट?
यस
So it is giving you salt and water, salt and water, salt and water. But sometimes beta base are insoluble. You know beta this is insoluble. ये all oxide are soluble except for what? Remember beta, सोडियम पोटेशियम अमोनियम सॉल्ट ऑक्साइड आर सोल्यूबल. क्या ये सोडियम पोटेशियम अमोनियम का ऑक्साइड है? तो इनसोल्यूबल. दिस इज ऑल्सो इनसोल्यूबल. इज दिस अ हाइड्रोक्साइड ऑफ सोडियम पोटेशियम अमोनियम? नो ना. So insoluble. Are you getting it or not? Tell me. Hello.
यस सर।
So you get soluble and water. Clear? So this was all about your न्यूट्रलाइजेशन. इज दिस क्लियर बेटा? अभी आप देखोगे ना बेटा, तो पीछे आपको ना ये दिया है लोग ने एकदम एंड में. व्हाट आर ऑक्साइड्स? डिफरेंट ऑक्साइड. यू नो बेटा, देयर आर 4 टाइप्स ऑफ ऑक्साइड. इन योर टेक्स्ट बुक बेटा, देयर आर 4 टाइप्स ऑफ ऑक्साइड. एसिडिक, बेसिक, एम्फोटेरिक एंड न्यूट्रल. ये बेटा मैंने आपको ऑलरेडी बता दिया था, याद आ रहा है कि नहीं? वेयर वी हैव डन दिस? भूल गए? अरे बेटा ये
क्लास में
स्टार्टिंग में ही दे दिया था बेटा.
सर
ये मतलब ये
लास्ट
माय नोट्स, माय कलरफुल नोट्स. कैन यू सी बेटा हाउ मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ ऑक्साइड आर देयर? देव कौन? अभी जल्दी इतना देव कौन आ गया? देव पारेख आ गया क्या? हाउ मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ ऑक्साइड आर देयर? एसिडिक ऑक्साइड, बेसिक ऑक्साइड, एम्फोटेरिक ऑक्साइड एंड न्यूट्रल ऑक्साइड. बेटा न्यूट्रल ऑक्साइड क्या होता है? इसको पानी में डालेगा तो इट विल नॉट गिव एनी एसिड और बेस. एसिडिक ऑक्साइड क्या होता है? एनी ऑक्साइड if I put it into water and if it forms acid, it will form carbonic acid or not? Tell me. If I would have
Yes,
taken
sir.
sulfur dioxide, it would have given me sulfurous acid. If I would have taken
Yes.
sulfur trioxide, it would have given me sulfuric acid. So all these, any oxide, when you dissolve in water, if it gives you acid, then it is acidic. Then what is basic? Any oxide, if you put into water, if it gives you base, then it is basic. ओके. एम्फोटेरिक में बेटा आपको 3 लिखने का था. जनाबे अली इन पब, रिमेंबर ना बेटा? जनाबे अली एंड पब, पीबी, these 3 are एम्फोटेरिक. एम्फोटेरिक means what? They can act as both acid as well as base. Acid as well as base. Look here. So look, generally non-metal oxides are acidic. Look, when they react with water, they give acid. Can you see? Okay. Metal oxides, these are basic because they react with water to give you base. एम्फोटेरिक कौन है? देखो, जनाबे, आई गिव यू ट्रिक और नॉट? जनाबे अली इन पब. तो हु इज जनाबे अली? जिंक ऑक्साइड. अली इज एल्यूमिनियम ऑक्साइड, पीबी. They can act with both acid and base. And these are neutral oxide. They do nothing. They do nothing, man. Nothing. So beta, I am stopping class till here. What all thing is remaining, I'll tell you beta. Listen carefully. Okay. We have to do this exothermic endothermic reaction. Then we have to do this catalytic reaction. Then we have to do this reversible reaction. And of course, in next class, beta, I'm going to discuss all both the worksheet with you all. Now, beta, without, most of the thing you will be able to do it. Beta, any concept which I have not taught, if that question is coming, kindly ignore that. That we will redo once we do the entire chapter, beta. But now have you
Yes, sir.
understood today double decomposition, precipitation, neutralization?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me any doubt, any question?
No, sir.
No,
No,
no. Then chalo then,
No,
bye-bye
sir.
everybody. Enjoy your day.
Bye, sir.
Abhi-
Bye, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, I only have
Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.
one of the worksheets.
Worksheet you have not received, Arya?
So I only got one.
Acha, don't worry, beta.
No,
I
sir, I gave her both of them.
They know you only get this.
I gave your mom both of them.
No, it's not
then
that.
you have to blame Tanisha for it, beta. She is very irresponsible. I don't
Sir,
know what.
I am not irresponsible. Anaya was with me. I gave both the worksheets to her mother.
Okay, don't worry, Arya, you will get it. Okay, I'll send the PDF if you want. I'll give you physical copy. It is at center. Okay. Next
Okay,
time,
sir.
trust Tanisha and Ananya, beta. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, bye.
Thank you.